Problem is they're going to be on all the time, but I don't particularly know what else to do. So let's switch it back that way and see what it looks like. And if I'm okay with it, then we're going to hook it up, and they're unfortunately going to run all the time until I can find a fix. All that's going to do is it's going to shorten the life. Okay. And I think I had them swapped last time. Let's try this. And I think I at least had high and lows. Wow. Just trying to make sure these stay spread. Whoa! Okay, I don't think that's right, but we're gonna see. I may have to roll the video back to figure out how I had it. Woo! Okay, so that's low, that's high. All that does is, the problem is that's putting everything on. I can turn those off, but I can't actually turn my headlights off at all. God, I'd like to be able to have headlights that are off and on. So we're gonna go back and do what we did before, which is really no low beams, just high beams. And we're going to find a fix for this. It's got to be in the wiring, so it's up here in their circuitry and how they have it wired to go through. And I think once we pop the fog lights off of that circuit, in fact, we could go ahead and just pop the fog light relay out and see what happens then, because that may fix everything. So we're just going to go blue and red. It lit for just a second and it went out. And black. Problem is black is turning it on. Okay, and I think they're in the off position. They are. So we don't like that. We definitely want it to come off and on, guys. Okay. I don't even care if it's just the high beams right now. I think we're in the off position, but I'm going to go check. Yeah, so that's not going to work. Okay. So we're going to try green to red. And we're going to try blue to blue and red instead of the black. Haha! So they go off now. They actually only work on high beam. There's no low beam. It's the low beam that's the issue. It's almost like the low beam is stuck on all the time, and it shouldn't be. It should not be energized all the time. Obviously without the lights on, there's no reason for it to be energized all the time. So let's do this then. Let's do black and blue. See what happens. Okay, I think it, oh, okay. So it's off right now. Let's see. Oh, switch was on. Okay, so our switch is on. Now let's turn the switch on. Lights on. still got bright. But no actual headlights. No low beams unless... Okay, now let's see what happens. See if they'll shut off. Nope. Okay, Subaru, you're killing me. Let's try green to black. Kind of going through everything again. Black to blue, green to black. Headlights are on, still just brights. Okay, headlights are on. So let's see what happens with red to red. Nothing. Oh, red to red. Okay, now let's see if they'll shut off though. Nope. And as soon as we go red to red, everything's fucking lit. Like, boom. It's good to fucking go. Whoa. Okay. Now, the biggest issue though is... Okay, with the black, let's see if we just got two going. See, with the black, you've only got two going, one side, which is perfect. That is like totally 100% perfect. I cracked that glass, by the way. Not the end of the world when it fell in, so we are going to switch to the blue. And then as soon as nope. So we got two on. Okay, so now we still only have two on. Let's turn the brights on and see what happens when I touch the red. Oh, the brights are on. So that's the two extra for the brights. Because that's going to put all four on. So this one should go to the green for the brights for certain. Red to green. That should throw all four on. Let's see. Nope, still only getting two. So it's 2 and 2. The problem is, for whatever reason, when they share that common ground, let's try the blue to red just for giggles. Blue to red, we got nothing. Okay. Okay, this will be just the headlights. The black should then turn on. Two of them. Okay, so two of them just came on. Now, make sure none of that's touching the metal. And brights. Oh yeah. I guess that's right, guys. That's looking correct. So we've got black. What will we have? Our daytime running lights, I'm pretty sure. They won't shut off fully. So we've got red to blue, green to red, and black to black. And that ends up giving you... Okay, right now we're daytime running lights. Actual lights are on. And brights. And now if I turn, let me put the fog lights back in. Okay. Now, as soon as the fog lights are in, then the brights come on. And the fog lights are dim, but I'll replace those bulbs and see. It's definitely the way they have the fog lights wired in, so we're going to fix that. Okay, so we're going to swap out the other side while we're waiting for this side to cool so we can change that light out. Just going to pull all three of these off. Don't really need that much wire. Cut it off right about, I think, in here.